how to play A flat major scale for the alto saxophone. We're going to start on our A flat with no octave key, and then from A flat we're going to go up to bis B flat, then we have C, open D flat, then we play E flat and we add the octave key, then F, G, and then our high A flat. Then we come back down, G, F, E flat, then open D flat, that's when we release the octave key. Then we get to C, bis B flat, and then our A flat. Okay, that's the whole scale. Let's start playing it together. I'll count to 4 and then we'll start. 1, 2, 3,